Are we about to get scammed again, or do we find ourselves a great deal? We decided to give Facebook Marketplace another chance with this RX 6700 XT and Ryzen 7 5700X gaming PC for only $700. Is this computer going to give us some quick cash, or are we actually buying trash? You'll just have to stick around to find out after a word from today's sponsor. Are you tired of your unactivated Windows install on your gaming PC? Well, today's video sponsor, GVG Mall, has you covered. GVG Mall is an online marketplace to gain access to really awesome discounted game keys and, more specifically, as we mentioned, Windows 10 licenses.
It is incredibly easy to get your Windows 10 or 11 activation key from GVG Mall. Just use code TB20 to get a special discount, and then all you have to do is take that code, put it into Windows, and boom, you have an activated Windows copy.
We have been working with GVG Mall for several years now, and we love the reliability of all the products they have to offer, so be sure to check the link in the description down below. Use code TB20 to save on your next purchase of a Windows key or other product from GVG Mall.
All right, guys, so the guy is on the way right now. He should be here in about 10 minutes. Somehow realized who we were. I'm assuming Zach's profile maybe has like that he works for Toasty Bros, or he has like a picture of all of us there. So yeah, he seems pretty cool. He did tell us that it doesn't have an X570, it actually has a B550, so he knocked off 25 bucks because we were offering him $725 if he brought it to us, but he's like, well, I'll take 25 off. So now this is a $700 gaming PC from Facebook Marketplace, and we're very excited. Yeah, thank you for bringing it all the way out here. We appreciate that. Yeah. Oh, do you want the? I would say we don't really need the box and everything if you want that stuff back.
The power cord and the, what do you call it, the GPU relief
Bracket, sag bracket.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is in there.
Cool. Yeah, it looks good. Did you build this one yourself?
Oh yeah. I generally end up building and selling one like twice a year, maybe.
Nice. All right. Yeah, everything looks good. Will you grab the power cord, Zach? Have a great day.
Have a good one now.
Thank you again, have a good one.
Now normally, guys, I know some of you all are gonna be in the comments like, you didn't test it. I don't need to. If it doesn't work, we have parts to fix it. But at home, please test it. Like, meet them at a store, and honestly, bring a monitor with you. I've done that before. Or meet them at a house if you feel trustworthy enough. Just don't meet him at Zach's house. Starbucks. I brought a full setup to Starbucks once, and the guy was like, can you show it tested? I had to bring dual monitors because he wanted to see if it worked with two. That was really embarrassing. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead now. Once Matt's back, we're gonna actually plug this thing in, make sure it works. The guy seemed pretty trustworthy. I mean, he literally told us it had the wrong motherboard, and the last time we did this, we got unlucky. We got the wrong graphics card and the wrong power supply. We just weren't paying attention, but I did check. At least the graphics card is right this time. And for 700 bucks, I mean, this card alone is about a $300 card on eBay, give or take, even in used condition. So we definitely did pretty good if all the other specs are accurate and the PC works well. Let's go ahead and get into it.
All right, guys, so as we mentioned, we made sure everything was working with this PC, and then we're gonna go ahead and swap in some VTrue RGB fans, which are our go-to RGB fans over at PC Selling with this PC Bros.
Yeah, so each one of these fan packs are about 30 bucks. So we're looking at about $60 so far. So 700 plus 60 bucks, 760. And then we're just gonna use some zip ties for cable management. You could count that as like $5 to buy a really big pack of zip ties. So 765 bucks. Let's see how it looks when we're done. All right, guys, we're kicking off the benchmarks on our Facebook PC with some Apex Legends, and we're pretty much maxed out 1080p native. No upscaling or nothing happening here.
Almost died there.
Yeah, almost died, but this is like really good. I mean, 200 plus FPS with, I mean, these milliseconds are pretty insane.
Yeah, I mean, 6700 XT, great GPU. We're having a little stuttering here and there.
We're playing Control, and it's big teams. That's to load in a lot of stuff usually.
But it's still running very smooth overall, very high FPS numbers. This is a great combination. If you're building a PC at home even, like, you can find some good deals on both of these parts and build a PC for a good price. We just got a really insane deal at $700 for this thing, because it can easily do 1440p gaming as well.
We're using a little over 10 gigs of VRAM, which we got 32, or not VRAM, 10 gigs of normal RAM. We have 32 to work with though. So doing pretty good on that.
Yeah, all the specs it's really well balanced overall, and the configuration and the stuff that they went with for this build makes sense. I mean, that tower cooler, actually I kind of like that tower cooler. It's like big, but it's not big.
Yeah, it looks nice.
It's nice and stealthy. It's not like one of
fan
those super
sandwiched.
gargantuan ones, you know? Never thought I'd miss watching arenas, but bring back arenas or
I
something.
do arenas. Like, I could actually do stuff in that. Like, I actually look decent at it. And this one I look like Captain Buttface.
Callister, make him Captain Buttface real quick.
Please.
What does he look like if he's Captain Buttface?
Ooh.
Oh, that was some
Dude, I
good
did not-
wingman
Ow,
shots.
come on.
Remember, the wingman's a
Let me
challenge.
live. They're gonna eat that. Really? They didn't eat that?
Damn.
Oh yeah.
Oh, nice.
Where's my gun? Why did I pull out nothing? You saw that, right?
Yeah.
I guess I need to be like really getting in here with the team. That's a bad trap. Oh, I'm getting shot from multiple directions.
Oh,
he
the
hit my
smoke.
trap.
Oh,
What a
no.
loser.
Ah, damn it. Oh, damn it. Did the game break? Oh, you lost.
Oh, I wonder if they cap like all points or something.
I don't know.
I swear it wasn't at like 100%.
It was at like 80%, so I don't know what happened there. But you know what? The performance was awesome.
It was.
Let's try another game. All right, guys, we are now in Fortnite. Oh, God, we're on windowed full screen, but you know what? We're going to stick with it because I ain't going to break this recording. Oh, God. Oh, God. All right, we're jumping in. But right now, on high settings, I'll go back and show you guys the settings fully once I land in here. We're getting 100 plus FPS on the drop, which is very impressive. Obviously, Fortnite, as long as you have some pretty good hardware, you'll be able to run high settings, no problems, high refresh rate, especially with the upscaling technology that's baked into the game. So, yeah, so far, performance is looking good. We're using a lot of RAM, too. 16 gigs of RAM, so good thing we have 32 gigs of it.
It's rare to see a drop that's almost totally smooth.
I know, from. Oh!
I'm concerned for your safety.
Where were they? Oh, am I blind? They were like invisible. We're queuing up again though. That's what we do around here, boys. That's what we do around here. Fortnite, take two.
Oh, he's already speed building.
I got the lock-on pistol. Let's go. Where are they?
Oh, that one actually made me feel. Oh my good golly gee. We are not ready for this to happen again yet.
Oh no! I
Jump on a bomb.
really just jumped on a nade.
Watch out for that grenade.
Yep. There, we're good. We're good.
All right.
We got a kill. Claps all around, because that's probably gonna be it.
Oh my god, that was a good, yeah. Definitely. No shields. Oh, okay, he can build. He can build.
Can't even see anything.
One good shotgun shot.
Oh, but-
Yep, he's.
I
Whoa.
killed Anonymous. Let's
You got
freaking go.
Anonymous.
Why? Can
He
I?
won't let you go through windows.
Like why? Oh. Stormtrooper! Stormtrooper!
People are so crazy now, dude.
Dude, 9 HP. These people are nuts in this game. But you know what? That's enough. 4 times is enough. Callister, we got 2 kills. 2 kills.
We did. We got the requirement.
That's all he wants. He just wants 2 kills. Minimum requirement, we passed with a D. All right, guys, we're gonna run some built-in benchmarks because this PC is obviously very impressive. We'll play some Cyberpunk and I think mainly just Cyberpunk. We'll show you guys how Cyberpunk runs and then wrap this video up real quick and talk about the value proposition. You let us know how much we should sell this PC for.
All right, guys, so we're in this PC for about 760 bucks, and you all just saw what it could do at home. This thing was playing AAA titles with ease, and yeah, I'm pretty proud of this thing for 760 bucks. I definitely think we'll make some money on it.
Yeah, so let us know in the comment section down below. If you were to sell this gaming PC, how much would you sell it for? We may consider the price and sell it over at PCBros.tech, so definitely check that link down below. It may be listed later on after we see the video results. And yeah, you can pick it up for yourself and many other PCs over at PC Bros, but let us know what you think of these Facebook Market style of videos. We're having a lot of fun finding some deals locally because surprisingly, there are some decent deals right now. It normally really isn't that way, but if there are some more, we'll definitely consider making some more videos in the future.
So as always, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
So like we said, this PC will be for sale at PCBros.tech, where we have amazing prices. We offer 1-year warranties for free with pretty much everything, and it's been fully tested.
PCBros.tech, gaming PCs, gaming laptops, and merch. Jackson's wearing that merch right there, that PC Bros and Tozy Bros merch, with some new stuff coming very soon. Hint, it might be mouse pads. Use code TozyBros2 and check out to save 2% your next purchase. See you guys later. Goodbye.
Peace out.